Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, sir.
So what we are discussing last class? Settlement we done it, correct? So one order settlement we completed. So 35 lakhs is the order number. So this cost is settled to cost center.
Sir, yesterday we have got an error, sir.
Oh, okay. Got error, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me show you that. So this is error message, okay? So note it down this error message. So define number as for settlement documents. Define number as for settlement documents. KD 522. You can maintain number as for settlement documents. So maybe you can write down the path with SPRO. Controlling. Internal orders. Actual postings. Settlement. Maintain number as for settlement documents. Maintain number as for settlement documents. SNUM is a P code. SNUM. Click on maintain groups button. Click on maintain groups button. Here place the cursor in controlling area. GCOA in non-assigned element list. Place the cursor in GCOA in non-assigned element list. Click on assign element group button. Click on assign element group button. Select 01 is a standard one. Standard number in this. Save it. So the standard number is linked to our controlling area. So this is standard accounting documents. With that, our controlling area is GCOA. So now go back and re-execute this settlement. Is successfully executed. So sender is a internal order, receiver is a cost center. Okay. Here, the internal order cost is settled to your Patanjali sales cost center, total 56,500. So I don't press back button, remove test and execute. Press back button, remove test and execute. Done. So this is for single vendor, single internal order. So now it becomes 0. So all the cost is settled to cost center through settlement cost element. So settlement trade fair internal order cost. The settlement cost element is updated here. Okay. This is the individual order settlement. How can you do for multiple order settlement? Okay. For this also, what we need to do? We need to write down settlement. Write down settlement for multiple internal orders. So first thing is QO 02. Give the remaining 2 internal orders. 20. And settlement rule. So 2 cost centers I am doing settlement. %, 50%. Save it. $21. So I'm just giving instead of percentage, I'm giving equivalence numbers, 7 portions and 6 portions. So you can give 8 and 7 first. Like 15 into 10. 8 and 7, 7. So multiple cost center settlement. So settlement room is done. So multiple order settlements, read in the path asset manner. Accounting. Controlling. Internal orders. Period and closing. Period and closing. Single functions. Period and closing, single functions. Settlement. Collective process. Collective processing, KOH. So give the variant Jindal trade orders. Click and create selection variant. Click on create button. Click on attributes. Add fair orders. Okay, so we mentioned the range of orders, order type, controlling area, company code. So that it will cover everything. Press back button 2 times. 12th period, 2020. execute. See, no changes in because already one order is settled already. Only two orders is done the settlement. We can see there's two orders. It's 20 order number 21. This cost is allocated based on percentage, 55%, 45%. This is allocated based on ratio. Okay, 8 ratios and 7 portions. 8 portions, 7 portions is updated. So receiver is also updated. Press back button, remove test and execute. Press back button, remove test and execute. If you see the KOB1, the orders got settled. So at a time, multiple orders, you can do the settlement. So now it's a zero settlement. Okay. So two line items are updated as per the percentage. As per the portions, two line items are updated. So this is a settlement of internal orders, single order with multiple orders. So when I'm creating internal order, I want to create a settlement rule automatically. No need to, I don't want to update settlement rule manually. Okay, how do you do that? I don't automatic generation of settlement rule. Automatic generation of settlement rule. We don't define strategy sequence for automatic generation of settlement rule. Define strategy sequence for automatic generation of settlement rule. Path SPRO. Controlling. Internal orders. Actual postings. Settlement. Automatic generation of settlement rules. Strategy sequence for automatic generation of settlement rules. Strategy sequence for automatic generation of settlement rules. So here you select SAP 040 responsible cost center. Click on copy as button. In the responsible cost center, enter. Enter. Click on copy as button. Save it. Select strategy sequence G CSAP 40. Double click on strategies. So we have two priorities, period based and full based. Period and only current month values only it will be considered, it will be done the settlement. Full means as on today, what is the value posted to the internal order? It may be current month or previous month or before previous month. All the values will be settled. Okay. So we don't want this. So we want periodic basis only. Keep only one rule. Priority is only one. Strategy is 04. Settlement to responsible cost center 100%. So periodic basis. Save it. So strategy sequence is ready. And we have to assign the strategy sequence to order type. Right? Assign strategy sequence to order type. Assign strategy sequence to order type. Plus my interest, view, order type. So we have three options here. Only override unused rows. And then, so if settlement is not done, we can do modifications. Settlement is done, we cannot do any modification to settlement rule. Okay. Always override at any point of time, you can override. Any change it. Settlement rule, you can change it. So do not override means it will not allow to change it. Okay. So better to keep always override. When this settlement rule is to be rendered. So at the time of release status. So if the order status is release status, then create a settlement rule. So please note it down this as it is. So strategy is defined. Let us create a new internal order and then we'll post some values and settle it. Okay. Go to AO01 GTRD enter. SR Nagar trade fair order. So what is the extra thing we are going to give here? Responsible cost center. This is important. Otherwise, settlement rule will not generate. So I'm giving Patanjali sales. So you can provide text, same time give responsible cost center. Yeah. So with this cost center settlement rule which is generated by the system, see here, settlement rule is already generated. Okay, with this cost center, 100% settlement rule is created. Okay. Let me post and check it. Okay, B60 and posting some values. So 50,900 simulated sale. Simulated sell it. So now the values are posted to the internal order. So 50,900 the value is posted. So let us do settlement. Right? So internal order settlement KY88. So internal order settlement KY88. Okay. Successful. So 50,900 it will update it here. So suppose if you are remove settlement, the settlement will be updated only month ending. I mean 31st March it will update. But you don't want to update in 31st March. You want to give today's date. So from extras menu, write down. From the extras menu, select posting date. Give posting date, today's date. At the same time, value date also. So make sure that. So otherwise, by default, it takes 31st March. Month ending, it will be posted. Every settlement will be done normally in month end. So, but we want to do middle of the month. So you have to mention the manually the dates. One is posting date, one is value date. So you can look into that extras posting date and extras value date. Settle. And if you see that order KOB1, zero. And this transaction is recorded in 19th. Posting date also takes 19th. So previous settlements it takes. Suppose if you check it in 21, order number 21, the settlements will be recorded on 31st. See 31st. Created date is only today's date, but posting date it takes 31st. So this is about internal order accounting, but we have integration with the asset accounting also. So till now we have seen internal orders, internal settlement. So how we can do external settlement? Asset accounting. So this is a new concept. So internal order settlement with the internal order sectional settlement within asset account. So here we are taking as a AUC. AUC is settlement with the AUC stands for asset under construction. So when are we having construction process? So what is the expenditure incurring? Sand expenditure, brick expenditure, other construction expenditure, labor expenditure, all these things is expenditure only, but I cannot show in profit and loss account because it is a capital expenditure. So capital expenditure we need to transfer to balance sheet. Okay. So what we do, so we'll create a AUC internal order. So we'll post all expenses here. So it may be a material cost, labor cost, and other overhead. all these things will going to be posted to AUC internal order. AUC stands for Asset Under Construction Internal Order. So this cost I'm going to settle it. So here we are going to do two settlements. So 95% of the value settle to AUC asset under construction settlement. So this we call it as a external settlement. External settlement. So AUC internal order is a CO object. This is FI object. Okay. And out of this 95% settling to AAC, 5% I am going to settle to CO object. This is called internal settlement. So next AUC asset 2. So like this we are going to do every month ending. This is every month ending. We do this activity. Every month end activity. So this settlement AUC2 final asset settlement. So this is after construction after construction completion, or we may call it as asset capitalization. When you are doing capitalization, this concept will do it. So AAC to final asset settlement. This we do in asset accounting. Okay, please note it down. So we'll see this process on Monday's class, okay? And SD's GST will talk about tomorrow's class. Tomorrow I'm going to schedule. Is it okay for 8 o'clock?
Okay, sir, no problem.
Yes, sir. It's okay.
Everyone is comfortable? SD, GST.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I'll ask to Sudhakar to schedule at 8 o'clock. Okay. Tomorrow morning. Thank you very much. Have a nice day to all. Everyone noted on the sheet? Notepad? Okay. Thank you. Bye.